Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm standing in an area that most people dread when thinking about moving, cleaning, organizing, but it could be collections, it could be odds and ends that have accumulated. So many people, when they're thinking about planning a move or assisting with a move, they consider hiring a professional company, like an estate sale company. I will tell you, since COVID, there are less and less estate sale companies that will come in to your home, organize, purge, and do and execute the sale. So you want to think about that well in advance. So sometimes they're booked for weeks and even months. So that can cause a delay in the time of showing your house or the delay in the time of redoing your house. So we really want to make sure you're as organized in advance as possible. So keeping a great idea of purging, and I'm always talking about getting rid of the extras, donating, those things is really super important. In today's market, and even in everyday life, we're still trying to keep houses as simple as possible. One, for ease of cleanliness, but two, for just that cosmetic appeal. So thinking about an estate sale, maybe doing a garage sale instead, hiring some of the organizing companies to come in and help you execute that, or maybe you have a neighbor that loves garage saling. Maybe they would be a great one to hire on to help you with getting your house cleaned, purged, and ready for you to either love it or to think about selling it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us direct. Thanks.